Hello guys, I'm the Scrum Master of Team Slow-Mo.
What's your name?
I'm Ezequiel De Vega.
Hi, I'm Riley. I'm the designer of Team Slow-Mo. As you can see, I'm designing our website. There you go.
I am Edward from Team Slow-Mo. I'm the developer of the website. So, this is the homepage for our website. It's divided into 4 parts or sprints. There's the About Us, everything about the NGO called Pinoy Me, events, how you can contact them, and the transactions page. So yung goal namin ngayon, makagawa ng e-commerce website para sa NGO, pangalan Pinoy Me. Microfinancing,
Basta yun.
it microfinances small businesses for people who don't have the capital. So what we're doing is creating awareness for the NGO by putting in features like testimonials of the people they benefit, the NGO benefits, how they can contact the NGO, and most importantly, how they can help transactions, making it an e-commerce website.
So basically, sa About Us, ako yung gumagawa ng design. Ginagawa ko yung kung ano yung mga dapat ilagay, kung paano pagaganda. So ayan, medyo mahirap, pero kailangan gawin.